Using wood logs in furniture and decor pieces for home design offers a myriad of benefits that appeal to both aesthetic preferences and practical considerations. As consumers increasingly seek unique, natural materials to enhance their living spaces, wood logs stand out as a versatile and sustainable choice. The charm and character of wood logs bring warmth and authenticity to interiors, making them an ideal option for those looking to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in their homes. One of the most significant advantages of using wood logs in furniture and decor is their natural beauty. Each log possesses a distinct grain pattern, color variation, and texture that can add depth and interest to any piece. This uniqueness ensures that no two items made from wood logs are alike, allowing homeowners to showcase individuality in their decor. The organic forms and imperfections of wood logs contribute to a rustic aesthetic that resonates with many design styles, from modern to traditional, creating a harmonious balance in various settings. Moreover, wood logs are incredibly versatile. They can be used in a multitude of ways, allowing artisans and designers to explore a wide range of creative possibilities. From constructing sturdy tables to crafting decorative accents, the adaptability of wood logs means they can be incorporated into virtually any room of the house. This versatility enables homeowners to seamlessly integrate wood log pieces into their existing decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic without overwhelming the space. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood log furniture and decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The sustainability factor associated with using wood logs cannot be overlooked. As more consumers become aware of the environmental impact of their purchasing decisions, the demand for eco-friendly materials has surged. Sourcing wood logs from sustainably managed forests or reclaimed wood not only reduces the carbon footprint, but also supports responsible forestry practices. By choosing wood logs for furniture and decor, homeowners can make a conscious choice that aligns with their values and contributes to a more sustainable future. In addition to being environmentally friendly, wood logs are durable and long-lasting. When properly treated and maintained, wood log furniture can withstand the test of time, providing homeowners with reliable pieces that can be enjoyed for years to come. The inherent strength of hardwood logs, in particular, makes them suitable for a variety of applications, ensuring that the pieces remain functional and aesthetically pleasing throughout their lifespan. This durability translates into a wise investment, as quality wood log furniture often increases in value over time. Another compelling reason to use wood logs in home decor is the warmth they bring to a space. Wood has a natural ability to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that can enhance the overall comfort of a home. The tactile quality of wood logs invites touch and interaction, making spaces feel more lived in and welcoming. This warmth can be particularly beneficial in creating a sense of belonging and tranquility, which is essential for fostering a positive home environment. Working with wood logs also allows for a high degree of customization. Artisans can create pieces tailored to the specific tastes and needs of homeowners, ensuring that each item fits perfectly within the intended space, whether it's adjusting the size, shape, or finish. The flexibility in design means that wood log furniture can be crafted to meet the unique requirements of any decor style. This level of personalization can enhance the emotional connection between the owner and the piece, making it even more special. The process of creating furniture and decor from wood logs can also serve as a therapeutic and fulfilling experience for artisans. The act of working with natural materials fosters a connection to nature and encourages mindfulness. Many craftsmen find joy in the tactile experience of shaping and finishing wood, as well as in the satisfaction of bringing a vision to life. This creative outlet can be incredibly rewarding, leading to a deeper appreciation for the art of woodworking and the beauty of natural materials. Furthermore, using wood logs in home decor can promote a connection to nature, which is increasingly important in today's fast-paced, urbanized world. Incorporating natural elements into living spaces helps create a calming environment that can reduce stress and enhance overall well-being. The organic aesthetic of wood logs serves as a reminder of the beauty of the natural world, allowing homeowners to create a sanctuary within their homes. This connection to nature can have a positive impact on mental health, providing a sense of peace and tranquility. In terms of marketability, wood log furniture and decor pieces often appeal to a broad audience. The rise of the handmade movement has led to increased demand for artisanal items that reflect quality craftsmanship and individuality. Homeowners are seeking unique pieces that tell a story and add character to their spaces. By using wood logs, artisans can create products that resonate with this desire for authenticity, resulting in higher perceived value and marketability. This trend can translate into increased sales for woodworkers and artisans who specialize in wood log creations. The rich history and cultural significance of wood in furniture making also adds to the appeal of using wood logs in home decor. Wood has been a traditional material for crafting furniture for centuries, and its enduring legacy speaks to its timeless nature. By choosing wood logs, homeowners can connect with a long-standing tradition of craftsmanship that values quality and durability. This historical context can enhance the emotional resonance of wood log pieces, making them more than just functional items. They become part of a narrative that celebrates artistry and heritage. Additionally, wood logs are often associated with a sense of nostalgia and comfort. Many people have fond memories of family gatherings around wooden tables or cozy evenings by a log cabin fireplace. By incorporating wood log furniture and decor into their homes, individuals can evoke these cherished memories and create new ones with loved ones. This emotional connection can make wood log pieces more meaningful, further enhancing their value in the eyes of homeowners. The craftsmanship involved in creating furniture and decor from wood logs also promotes a sense of pride for both the maker and the owner. Artisans who skillfully transform raw logs into beautiful pieces demonstrate a mastery of their craft that is both admirable and inspiring. Homeowners who invest in such items can take pride in owning unique creations that showcase exceptional craftsmanship. This pride can lead to a deeper appreciation for the items and their makers, fostering a sense of community among those who value handmade goods. Moreover, the trend toward minimalism in interior design has made wood logs particularly appealing. As homeowners seek to simplify their spaces and focus on quality over quantity, wood log furniture and decor provide a way to achieve a clean, uncluttered aesthetic while still incorporating natural elements. The organic forms of wood logs can serve as statement pieces that anchor a room without overwhelming it, making them ideal for minimalist design principles. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood log furniture and decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.